cannot just turn your face away. No matter, 'cause there's something inside so strong. I know that I can make it, though you're doing me wrong, so wrong. Thought that my pride was gone. Oh no, there's something inside so strong. Whoa, whoa, something inside so strong. The more you refuse to hear my voice, the louder I will sing. You hide behind walls of Jericho. Your lies will come tumbling. Deny my place in time. You squander wealth that's mine. My light will shine so brightly it will blind you. Because there's something inside so strong. I know that I can make it, though you're doing me wrong, so wrong. You thought that my pride was gone. Oh no, there's something inside so strong. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Something inside so strong. Brothers and sisters, when they insist we're just not good enough, well, we know better. Just look them in the eyes and say, we're gonna do it anyway. We're gonna do it anyway. We're gonna do it anyway. Something inside so strong. I know that I can make it, though you're doing me wrong, so wrong. You thought that my pride was gone. Oh no, there's something inside so strong. Whoa, whoa, there's something inside so strong. Whoa, whoa, there's something inside so strong. Something inside so strong. Something inside so strong. Know that I can make it, though you're doing me wrong. You're doing me wrong. Something inside so strong. Something inside so strong. I know that I can make it, though you're doing me wrong, so wrong. Something inside so strong. Something inside so strong. I know that I can make it.
And welcome. What is today's date? Today is Tuesday. It's Tuesday the 23rd. Who is here? Who is here? I see Casper. Casper saying something inside so strong. Good morning, everyone. Tato is saying don't forget a like on the stream. Who else is here? Who else is here? Please leave a comment there. Let us know who is here. Who else is here is the question. Is the billion-dollar question this morning. Who is connected this morning? Who is connected? Who is connected this morning? So if also asking vendor, I'll say, ni are connector. Macharoni Anamusi this morning, ladies and gentlemen, who is connected this morning. Connect, ladies and gentlemen. I just want to know who is here. Who is here? Talk to me. Talk to me, ladies and gentlemen, before I kickstart. Who is here? Who is here? This wonderful, faithful, beautiful morning. Who is here, ladies and gentlemen? Who is joining us this morning? Perhaps maybe tell us where you're joining us from as well. Where are you joining us from? Who is here and where are you joining from? I am here this morning. I'm not alone. I am accompanied by the one and only Mr. Tato. Also got Mr. Donald Mafula. I've also got a gentleman by the name Unarine. And I've got Frank Lindo Mduduzi Milatu. Then I've also got Murketi. And lastly, I've got Oba King here with me. So who do I have on the other side right there? Who is there? Who is there? Who is connected? Who is connected? Right, ladies and gentlemen, we are here. We are here. We are here to do it live. Let's do it live. Let's do it live. Let's do it live, ladies and gentlemen. Let's do it live. Right, live. Let's do it live, ladies and gentlemen. So let me look who's here. I've got Pateko says morning. Denzel says morning. Dahi, Mr. Cloak says good morning. Mr. Manaba is here. Mr. Pielo right there. See, I didn't say Michael, I said Pielo. Awesome stuff. Pateko is tuning in from Queenstown. Lloyd Samusa. He says Silva is here. Tabiso Nkambule says Mr. RB, my good leader. Then we've got Eric Mashao, Di Maceroni. Eric Mashao, Di Maceroni. Good morning. Mr. Tabiso is tuning in from Swaziland, I believe. Sifiso Laki says, Yevo, live and kicking. Awesome stuff. Lester says, hi, Bruce, Mr. EFM. What is Mr. EFM? What do you mean? What do you mean? Radio presenter. Our very own radio presenter. Brother Bruce in the building. Po, 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 po. See what you did there. See what you did there. See what you did there, Mr. T. Viso says he's connected from Deep Kloof, Soweto. So let's print money right there in Deep Kloof this morning. Musam Kiza says, morning, beautiful people. Tabiso says, oh yes, of course, Swaziland is representing. Yes, you see, Mr. EFM is Mr. Enter for me. Oh, okay, awesome stuff, awesome stuff. All right, ladies and gentlemen, last time when I was live here, I said to you guys, someone said gold is gonna go up. Then what I then said was, I hear what you're saying, but I'm not one that likes to assume, especially when I see the market starting to behave like this. At that time, I think we're somewhere here, right? Then I said to you guys, if you recall, I said I expect the market to consolidate, if anything. And that is exactly what happened after our last Zoom session, where I was the one hosting. We got a consolidation. The market really moved sideways. If you look at it on daily, the market really moved sideways. And then today, the market says, hey, Sihamba pants, right? To the market says we're going down, ladies and gentlemen. So, if anything, ladies and gentlemen, enter for me on H1 on gold. is what I'm gonna do today, right? I'm gonna put enter for me on gold on H1 because I just remember when I said because I just remembered this other video of this young man who was asked a question. Was it something to do with the chicken or something? And then when he responded, he said, because you know how chickens in the morning, those who grew up from the villages can really relate, because that's something chickens wake us up with, and especially those chickens which you're gonna take out of their eggs, right? When they get out of there, you're gonna make a sound like a cock, right? So when I said because, I was just reminded of that video. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get back to business. I'm expecting something like this on gold. So because of that, I expect enter for me to take the trade for me. That is what it is designed for, to enter for me. So it must enter the trade for me when gold eventually goes up and decides to drop, right? But let me also just say something, guys. As much as we are now trading below here, it doesn't mean anything. What will really matter is, by the end of the day, are we not trading above here or here? Because this can really still change, right? There's still enough time for price to decide to go up to a point where it removes that high. Anything can happen, but at least things are really promising that we want to drop. But I'm telling you, if price can close below here today, guys, bearish on gold. So what we'll be expecting from gold is a situation like this. We'll be expecting a situation like this on gold. 1 hour. That is if the market closes below this here today. Right, ladies and gentlemen. So I'm going to enter. I'm going to place enter for me on H1. Right, I'm going to place enter for me on H1 on gold. Right, on gold. Ladies and gentlemen, yes. I'm seeing someone here by Tarirai Makoni. I believe that one is from, it's a brother from Zim, right? This Makoni surname sounds very familiar. My neighbor right there by the Bay Bridge right there, right? Tarirai, what is the best time to put the bot on, like in the morning? Hey. Are you in the group, Mr. Tarirai? Are you in the group, our WhatsApp groups? Are you in the group? Because if you're in the group, what you will notice is that we do post in the group. So if you're not in the group, it's a tough one. It's a tough one because we did our best. We come live, we post in the groups to say, guys, with this what we are placing the bots on. So if you are not there, I don't know, because it's something that is open for everyone, right? Denzel says, what do you think of if for enter for me H1 on S&P 500? First tell me what you think, then I'll tell you what I think. Mr. Denzel Tararai says, let me join. Come on, you haven't joined. You haven't joined in 2024 on the 23rd of April. Mr. Tarera, you are letting me down. You're disappointing me, sir. You're disappointing me. Mr. Denzel, talk to me. S&P 500. What about it? While I wait for you to talk to me about it, I'll look at Nasdaq. Ladies and gentlemen. Yes, it is what it is. Nasdaq 100, ladies and gentlemen, has been doing the things. The last time I was with you, I told you, expect I did this, right? As you can see, that is literally what I did. And look at what happened since then. So if you loaded enter for me, you would have gotten all this. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. You would have gotten 4 cells. If you listened to me when I speak, or rather when I spoke at the time, because it's something in the past But again, if you didn't, it's fine. I will always come back here and remind you that I told you to do this, right? But again, I know I didn't tell you to do it. I just said this is what I'm going to do. So maybe you didn't do it because I didn't say do this, do this, do this, do this, do this, right? But again, it's your money. I cannot tell you what to do. You decide. But all I can do is tell you what I'm expecting, what I think is going to happen, and what I'm going to do on my account with the bot, and which bot I'm going to load. And yeah, this is what I said last time. This is all that had taken place at the time. And at this point in time, this is what then followed. So if you enter for me, if you placed it, you would have gotten 1, 2, 3, 4 trades. You see that? So that is that. Mr. Denzel, you are quiet. You said, what do you think of E4M H1? You're quiet. What is happening, guys? You guys have this thing. You suggest things when we engage. You suddenly keep quiet. I don't understand. I don't understand. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to move on then. Sfiso says he sees a buy on Nasdaq 100, on NAS 100. Mr. Sfiso, are you already in the buy? Are you already in the buy? Sfiso says he sees a buy on Nasdaq. Nasty baby. Says it's a buy on Nasdaq. All right, Colbert says, morning, you have radio personality type of voice, Mr. Bruce. No, actually, I don't have a video, what is it, a radio FM personality. I don't have it at all. This is me. The other one you guys were hearing, I don't know. That is not me. This is me, guys. This is me. So I don't know, Mr. Colbert. I don't know what you're talking about. All right, Mr. Eric Mashau says, Bruce, so you hold your trade for a number of days since we load E4M on H1. Can we assume the trade is valid for a number of hours? You're saying, Bruce, do you hold your trades for a number of days since we load? To be honest, let me give you an honest answer. And this is something I spoke about from the get-go, right? I was teaching that the market moves like this. That is what I taught, right? I said the market moves in waves, and I created a bot that is designed to catch those turning points for you. The market moves in waves, and Enter for Me is designed to take the buys for you here, there, and take sells for you there, and there. You see that? So personally, when I use Enter for Me, right, it depends on, am I using it to swing or to day trade? If I'm day trading, what often happens is, let's say I have 3 instruments or 4 instruments loaded, and then 3 of them trigger. Let's say I wanted to close the trades there, but hey, by the time price gets here, including the other 2 instruments, things are looking good, then I'm gonna close. I mean, most of the time, if I see that, hey, I'm seeing 200% profit, I'm just like, what am I still waiting for? I'm gone. I even withdraw. You see that? So that is what I do. That is what I do. So unless if I'm saying I'm swinging, that's when I will really hold for some time, right? So if I'm saying I'm swinging, that's when I'll like, you know what? Let's hold this one for some time. So that is that. I saw start on the previous stream explaining to you guys how the Starboy bot is going to take trades if this or that happens. So those who are listening, I heard him talk about it several times. So if you're listening, you should even know how the Starboy bot works. And if I were Tato, I'll go and remove that live stream now. All right, just kidding, ladies and gentlemen. What I've got, Sfiso says, I'm seeing a buy. Sfiso, please talk to me, my brother. what is giving you the buy on Nasdaq 100. Are we doing some prophetic stuff, or there's some things to back it up, right? I'm not saying in any way that there's no buy, that I personally don't see a buy, but I want to know from you, what is making you say Nasdaq is gonna buy? Personally, I'm in a buy right now on Nasdaq, right? I'm in a buy right now on Nasdaq. Right here, I've got some buy right here, somewhere here, somewhere there. I do have a buy on Nasdaq, but I want to know from you, why do you say you're seeing a buy? What are you seeing? Talk to us. Talk to us. We are also showing you our screens. We are telling you, so you can also just tell us what you're seeing. Is it a head and shoulder, break of structure, whatever? What is it that you're seeing? What makes you think that it's gonna go up? Personally, I went in just so that if it decides to go up, I must be in it, right? But I would really love if it can drop to the demand below, which is this one here. I'd really love if it can come to this demand, because this demand caused this resistance to be broken. But on the other hand, we are currently at support, right? So support can really cause price to move up and go and remove this high, right? So that being said, ladies and gentlemen, that is the reason why I am in a buy. I wouldn't be shocked though if price decides to drop to the demand there, but if it doesn't, I'm in a buy, and I will eventually load enter for me on 1 hour as price decides to keep climbing the ladder to the top. Right, ladies and gentlemen. Moving on, Lester says, I noticed with Nasdaq enter for me bot to put stop loss very tight when it keeps taking small losses of 5 rand, so I removed it. But Mr. Lester, you have the option to put the what is it, the stop loss there. Why don't you just go and change the stop loss? Why don't you just go and change the stop loss? Why? Stop loss. Why? Just go and increase or decrease the stop loss. I mean, increase, since you're saying it's too tight. Or you didn't know that you can change the stop loss? All right, Mr. Eric says, thank you. I understand. Swiss says market structure shift. So where are you seeing the market structure shift? Is it 8 hours, 4 hours, 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15 minutes? Mr. Eric, personally, I don't see any market structure shift. So where are you seeing the market structure shift? If you can just talk to us. Personally, I don't see any market structure shift as yet. And then Sfisa says, can you modify the stop loss and TP for enter for me? Most definitely. Enter for me doesn't have a TP though, only the stop loss. So you can change the stop loss. Definitely. You guys, I give you solutions to make money, and then you sleep on things to make money. You guys don't want money. You don't want to money. Yeah? You don't want to money. Why don't you want to money? Come on. Lester says, thanks, boss. I'll change it and test again. All right, awesome stuff, ladies and gentlemen. So I told you I'll be loading gold on 1 hour, and then I'm currently in a buy on Nasdaq, but we tend at the demand on daily, right? So are we gonna see a situation where price does this? Maybe. So what we'll do is, if price starts showing signs of doing this, then we'll load enter for me and we'll ride it to the top side. The same way you were supposed to ride it to the downside. At least maybe this time you'll ride it to the top side. But for now, don't load enter for me, right? I won't load. But if you want, you can. But I won't load. Right. And then lastly, when we're speaking here, someone said Euro JPY is going to drop. Then I said to you guys, interesting. As you can see, this is what I did, right? This is what we had at the time. And I could have been wrong, right? It could have dropped, right? But my take at the time was, I don't see it going down. If anything, this thing is consolidating. Then I even went on to even draw this for you guys. Then I said this thing, this is the center. This thing will go above there and then drop, and that is exactly what happened. I said this thing will go above this and then drop, and that is exactly what happened. But at this point in time, ladies and gentlemen, we are still moving sideways. If you want to see it clearly, you just go to weekly and you realize that this thing is indeed doing what Mr. RB spoke about. Remember this drawing? Remember those who were here? That is exactly what is going on now on EuroJPY. So at this point in time, because of that, EuroJPY, ladies and gentlemen, do we want to trade it? Do you want to trade it? Do you want to trade it? You want to trade? You want to trade? Well, if you wanted to trade, the best time to trade it was some hour ago, because you would have gotten a trade taken for you there. You would have gotten a trade taken for you there. But on the other hand, it's consolidating, guys, so I don't advise you trading this thing. Right, ladies and gentlemen, let us move on. GBP USD. We're doing it live. We're doing it live. We're not just claiming. We're not just sending buy here, sell here, TP here, stop loss here, and then disappear and hide behind whatever. We do it live, right? Live. If you think we are taking chances, tell us. Right here, ladies and gentlemen, tell us. If we say GBP USD, you're expecting it to drop, and then you say, there's no such, it's going up. Tell us. So right here, right? If anything, I don't have 100% win rate, guys. So I know we've been winning. We've been winning mostly, right? We've been winning. But guys, the days are not the same in the market, if we're to be honest. So when you're winning, enjoy the wins, but always keep in mind that losses are around the corner. Right, ladies and gentlemen, GBP USD. Just going to touch on it. I was not supposed to touch on it, but I'm just going to touch on it. Just tap into the demand right there, ladies and gentlemen. What are the chances that this thing will go up? What are the chances? Wait, are you guys not supposed to be in buys on this one? Are you guys not supposed to be in buys on GBP USD, guys? Starboy, were you not supposed to load the Starboy bot on H1?
Nah, I don't think it took trades. Conditions.
But were they supposed to?
Yeah, but they were supposed to have it on.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
We did have a buy previously, but those were stopped out.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So if I'm to look at it properly, there were some buys, and then price dropped, and then enter for me did the things, and then right, ladies and gentlemen, there's nothing we can do on this GBP USD at this point in time. I know it tapped the demand, but I'm not the guy that assumes. I don't like assuming, right? Yes, it was in a demand, but that does not mean that it is gonna go up, right? Does not in any way mean that price is gonna go up. So I don't like doing assumptions, right? I don't like doing assumptions. If it wants to go up, let it go up. We'll ride it with the enter from me to the upside. Simple, right? Simple and straightforward, ladies and gentlemen. So what I'm just gonna do now, I'm just gonna try and see what else we can do. What do you think? Caesar says, can you modify the stop loss? Wait, guys, where's that S&P 500? Oh, it was the Nasdaq by Denzel. Price broke previous lower. Oh, sorry, I didn't see your thing. S&P 500. Let's go to SP 500. What is it? SPX 500, right? We said SPX 500. You responded. So you said price broke previous lower high on H1. Price broke previous lower high on H1 and is showing movement to the upside. Daily also shows price at support level. So let's go to daily. Daily showing price at support level, ladies and gentlemen. Let's trade. Let's do it live. Let's do it live right here. Let's do it live right here by Euporiafx headquarters. Right, ladies and gentlemen. It is what it is. We have nothing to hide. Yes, I agree. This is a demand. This is a demand. So yes, tick. First tick. It is a demand. I agree. And secondly, you're saying H1 price removed the lower high, and that's what you're looking to buy. So you're saying price broke lower high and is showing movement to the upside. Daily also showing price at support. So yes, price was at support, and you're saying price broke the lower high. Mr. Sifiso, price broke lower high. Price broke lower high, ladies and gentlemen. Are we able to do polls here? Is it possible to do polls here? There's no polls. I was gonna ask who thinks price remove lower high, and you can just type, guys. Type there. Who says? So I'll just type a question. So you'll just say no, yes, right? So did price remove the lower high?
We can do polls. Why don't you just do the poll?
Where?
On your side, yeah, and then our channel, and then you'll see poll down there on the chat.
I'm on the chat.
No.
Oh,
Are you?
I'm not.
No, log in on our YouTube.
On YouTube.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then you'll see the poll there.
YouTube. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel.
I come back.
Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel.
Do you see it?
So I need to get this thing. I need to get to the video first.
Oh.
Okay, I'm gonna bring up a poll, guys. We're gonna bring up a poll. A police store. So there's let's see, yeah. Okay, and then you're saying where do I go? I see the chat.
Yebo, and below, down there on the chat, there's a tab.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm bringing the poll up, right? There's 28 of you. Please, I need answers from 28 of you, right? I need 28 of you. I need 28 of you, right? 28 of you, ladies and gentlemen. My question is gonna be, is it removed? Is it removed? And then you just say yes or no. Start. Ding 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 ding. 3, 2, 1. Ding 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 ding. Let's go, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see. Who says the lower high is removed and who says it's not removed? Someone say, everyone's saying no. Hey, what's happening now? Hey, these people. Votes, guys. Where's the rest? Where's the rest? Oh, this thing wants me to vote as well. I'm not voting. I'll vote after. I'll be the last one to vote. So happens that viewer number 28. So let's go, guys. Let's go, guys. 5 votes so far. 60%. says no, guys, then the people who are saying no are winning. Please, the people who are saying no are winning. 6 votes and people who are saying no are still winning, guys. Guys, these guys are winning. 7 votes and we are 71 saying no. Hey. This class is going to fail. Yo. If I was a betting house right now. Yo. Come on, guys. 8 votes. There's 28 of us. Please vote. 9. Yeah, so the yes is coming. The yes is gaining some strength. Right, ladies and gentlemen, the poll is still up. Did it remove the lower high on H1? 70% says yes, meaning it's 7 out of 10. I wish I was a bet exchange right now. Guys, please, let's be fast. We are wasting time on something. The rest of you don't know what that is.
Yep, they are clueless. It's not all traders here. I saw that the other day.
So the rest of you are clueless. Come on, yes. You know, it was on 40 something, 42%. It was almost there. 14 votes. 40% says yes. And it's a tug war, but the no's are winning so far. Ladies and gentlemen. 15 votes, ladies and gentlemen. 15 votes. 40% says yes, it is removed, and then 60% says no. And then Mr. Herein says daily time frame shows an untested flip zone might go down. So we'll go to that daily for now. Let's talk about H1, ladies and gentlemen. Is the lower high removed? Yes or no? The poll is there. We have 16 voters and 56% says no, 44% says yes. So which one is it, ladies and gentlemen? Which one is it? Talk to me. 17 voters, guys. I'm stopping at 20 votes. So the 3 voters, we are waiting for you. Those who haven't voted, I've voted. 17 votes. We need 3 more votes. Is the lower high removed on SPX 500? Please, 3 more voters. 3 more. Is the lower high removed on SPX 500? 50-50. Yes, it's balanced. Ladies and gentlemen. It is balanced. It's critical but stable at this point in time. And then 1 more voter came and said nope. So guys, if we get a yes, then it's a tie. So voter number last, we are counting on you. The people saying no and the people saying yes are counting on you. So please do the right thing in 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 seconds is done. So we'll stop here. So the poll results are out. 53% of us, because mine also says no, right? 53% of us says nope, the lower high is not removed. The reason being, this is not a lower high. I refuse. That's not a lower high. Why is that not a lower high? Because this didn't go and remove this low. Lower high if the market does this. But currently we are having a situation like this. That's not a lower high. The lower high is this one. So this is the lower high. So the lower high is not yet removed. The lower high is not yet removed. A lower high is not yet removed, ladies and gentlemen.
Someone just came in saying, what was the question? I just came in. I can't pronounce that name. How do you pronounce that, leadership?
It's Acelia.
Acelia. Okay.
Acelia.
Acelia.
What? I just came in. Guys, this is not a lower high. The lower high is this one. Yeah. We're talking structure.
Do you want to educate them on why that is?
No, I already did.
Oh, you already did. Oh,
I
awesome
them.
stuff. Awesome stuff.
I showed them that this is the last high. So right now, for example, right, this is one of the things that helped me say gold is going to consolidate last time because of things like this. If you look at H1, literally this is how I knew that gold was going to consolidate. So yeah.
Where is he?
So that is how I knew that.
Where is that guy?
Look at these ones. They are voting now when we're done. Guys, it doesn't count. We've already
You can stop it. You can stop it on your side.
These ones. Hey.
Just stop the poll. End the poll.
Let me end this poll.
I mean, does that guy even know that we go live these days? Yo, I can't wait for him to come here, man.
Go live, you must go work.
I can't wait for him to be here with us. Yo.
All right, ladies and gentlemen. So what else are we trading? Gold is dropping without us.
How's the USD CAD doing? Did it take
USD
trades?
I didn't load.
Yeah, no, this one on 15 minutes had 1 hour. Let's see if 1 hour took some trades, because yesterday I told them that we can load this on 1 hour. Yeah, so there should be trades taken yesterday on 1 hour, guys, on this one.
Or the sales.
How many of you guys have the sales from yesterday?
How many loaded enter for me sales yesterday on USD CAD?
How many of you guys took the sales or loaded enter for me on USD CAD?
Yesterday, how many? Guys, please, you have to motivate us by trading alongside us. Else, there's no need for us to do these things that we are busy doing, trying to help people. There's really no need if it's not helping anyone, right? If it's not helping anyone, and how do we know it's helping everyone? We'll see it by results. If there are no results, there's no need. I might as well go to the gym from 10 to 11:30. So please, it doesn't benefit anyone. It doesn't benefit me. It doesn't benefit you if you are not
triggered on my side, say from Tabiso. Oh, beautiful.
Oh, so Tabiso got the sell triggered USD CAD. So the rest of you, if you didn't have it taken, you see, it's on you. It's on you. It's on you. You were supposed to be having a sell on USD CAD and smiling, but because we are good people and generous, we can safely say, I just want to confirm something first, right? Before I can say load. Oh, we still have to go to that other daily time frame, what, right? Guys, load H1 still, keep. Mr. Tabi, so if I were you, I would keep the USD CAD on H1. If anything else not there, so I'll need to see to it that I have USD CAD. Mr. T, are you posting these things on the group? Gold H1, USD CAD.
I just set them on the stream.
No, you must post them there. Remember, there are people who are working.
Oh yeah. I remember to do that next time. But let me do that right now for gold and USD CAD.
All right, ladies and gentlemen.
But you already had the USD CAD there. You posted it in the morning. The only thing that's missing is gold.
Okay, awesome.
Yeah.
Awesome, ladies and gentlemen. It is what it is. Gold is dropping like I don't know what. This is so unfair.
It was so nice though on that 15 minutes. I don't know why it didn't load enter for me there.
My golly day.
15 minutes.
Nice. It's gold, guys. It's gold. Just leave it on 1 hour. We'll be looking to sell on 1 hour. Right. What else? Oh, SPX 500. I heard something about SPX 500. SPX 500. The gentleman there was saying daily time frame shows an untested flip zone. Daily time frame showing an untested flip zone. Where is that untested flip zone that you're referring to? Can you please tell us the price? Or was it not SPX 500? Was it Nasdaq? The person is Mr. Julius. Do talk to us. Do talk to us. We spoke about an untested flip zone, and I'm out here trying to search for that untested flip zone, and I'm not finding it. So am I perhaps at the wrong instrument? Or can you guys see any untested flip zone here? Do let me know where you are seeing it, because I cannot see it right. Ladies and gentlemen, we are still together here. I need a trade to open 10 lots on.
This gold is melting. Yo. Yo.
Yeah. Stupid gold. Stupid gold, go up. Gold must go up, guys. To show us that it's not stupid, it must go up. Then it can drop. To show us that it's smart, right? Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's do it live. Let's get these trades live. Guys, you see, since we started here, if we just went all of us to gold on H1, on 1 minute, since we started this Zoom, this session here on YouTube, and we just went and said, "Hi guys, let's load enter for me on gold on 1 minute," we would all be holding cells here. I kid you not. Had we done that, maybe we must start, guys. Maybe we must start trading smaller time frames, because these 1 hours are good to go and load and go away, right? But maybe we can, make some money live right here. I see nothing preventing us from doing that. But disclaimer: they are deadly. Lower time frames are deadly, right? They're deadly, but who said we can't scalp, right? We can scalp. We can scalp, I believe. We can scalp.
Melt, Magolite, melt. Coming from Michael. That's someone who's in a cell right there. You can tell.
but it's not Michael, it's Hell.
Oh, me, I forget. I remember he said he doesn't. Is that guy who said he doesn't like the apartheid name? Ne?
Yeah, boy.
Me, I forget.
Guys. Okay, guys. I'm gonna ask something, right? And then we're gonna act based on that, right? Ooh, okay. You guys think Euro JPY will drop to here? Because if you think it will happen, we are going to load enter for me on 1 minute. So now, guys, we're gonna do a poll. Do you guys think Euro JPY is going to drop to that demand level there? We had 20, how many answers last time? 22 votes. Will EJ drop to the H1 demand? That is the question, and the poll is there. Because if that's the case, guys, the market moves in waves. So the market is gonna do some waves going there, and then we can enter for me can get the trades for us. So many guys will do this. This is what we'll be expecting minimum. Expecting a sell there, a sell there, and a sell there. I want to hear from you guys. I want to hear from the house. Do you think this thing will drop to here? Three votes. And I'm asking that because we are currently in we're about to hit a support. So do you think we'll drop to there? Because if yes, H1 minute. It's a hammer parts on EJ. 1 minute on EJ. If you believe we're gonna drop there. Nine votes, guys, come on. It's so easy. 22 votes. We're expecting 22 votes. Because if that's the case, we are loaning this thing on 1 minute and we are taking it down. Else, we are leaving it. Actually, else we are loading it on enter for me 1 hour. So it's either we're doing enter for me 1 minute or enter for me 1 hour. 60% says yes and 40% says no. So 6 people out of 10 are saying yes and 4 are saying no. Please, we need 10 more vote, 12 more votes, please. Then we are doing this thing of trading live right here, right now. Please, let's vote, let's vote, let's vote. 50%, it's a 50-50. It's a 50-50, it's a 50-50, 50. Ladies and gentlemen. Kunzima. 54% says nope. Actually, 54% says yes. 50% says yes, 50% says no.
Then we have Thomas saying, Mr. T and Sir Bruce, I think CAD is going to go further high. It tested the daily demand. So I'm seeing a positive push from here. Even the weekly is aligning well. Can you check it out, my good ladies?
That's what CAD.
Yeah. But CAD, I think we've been saying that to leave enter for me on 1 hour. So if you are really on CAD CHF, we should be catching all the movement to the upside. Can you quickly go to CAD CHF there quickly? Stop, push.
17 votes, please, guys. What's so difficult about voting? Please, let's vote. Let's vote. Let's vote. Let's vote. CAD CHF, ladies and gentlemen. One of them, CAD CHF. CAD CHF. CAD CHF.
What happened yesterday? Yo, that spike. When was it?
That was Friday.
Oh, that was Friday. Oh yeah. Then you should be holding some good buys there, Taviso.
But he's saying he's expecting price to go all the way up. All the way up. All the way up. Mr. T. Tabiso. AKA Nkambule. To be honest with you, my brother, I don't like to assume. Right. I don't like to assume. But I think it's worth the call to the upside. But just looking at where it's sitting on daily, it just looks like it can be held down. But the nice thing about this is it's not looking like a strong demand, supply. So maybe we'll break it and go up. But hey, this makes it questionable for me. But hey, imagine a case where we go and it works out and it goes up. The next stop will be looking at the price coming to this supply here, which will make it all worth the risk, right? Oh, so the votes, the votes. Let's see the votes.
Your leadership.
Yeah.
We have a special guest who doesn't want to comment there on the live, but they're saying you definitely sound like a radio presenter.
Hello, guest. Shout out to the guest. Shout out to the guest. Shout out to the guest. Welcome, guest. We have anonymous. Is it Mr. or Mrs. or Miss?
I plead the fifth.
Yeah. Yeah.
I plead the fifth. Oh, why do you want me to answer that question? Aye.
Ladies and gentlemen, when you hear a man speak like that, just know that it's a she. Welcome, she. Welcome. It's definitely a she. I'm telling you guys. Welcome, Miss Anonymous. It's good to have you here. It's Tuesday morning. It's almost 11:30. So we are still in the early hours, right? So, but yeah, ladies and gentlemen, the poll was done. 22 votes are saying, let us take it down. They're saying, see, humble pants, right? So, ladies and gentlemen, enter for me on 1 minute on Euro JPY. Enter for me Euro JPY 1 minute. Habaswe. Enter for me 1 minute Euro JPY. Habaswe. The house has decided, right? Enter for me 1 minute Euro JPY. So
how's Euro JPY looking on daily?
Those who are saying no, they simply just stay on the side, right? It's not a problem. It's not something to fight over, right? So if you don't believe it will go down because we are in the support, you just stay on the sideline. And those who are saying it will go down, they just load enter for me on 1 minute. It's that simple. There's no need for a lot, right, ladies and gentlemen? Mr. T is saying what's happening on daily.
Oh, yeah.
We are moving sideways here, guys. We are moving sideways here on weekly. Like, remember what I spoke about when I stated? So it is what it is. We are still there. We are moving sideways. So if it's sideways, it means this thing can drop even drop harder, unless if it decides it doesn't want to consolidate anymore. But if it's still staying within the consolidation, remember, this is how it will, those things are gone. Whatever, ladies and gentlemen. Right, so we'll move on right along. So remember, guys, if you load on 1 minute, it's not something you load then leave it, because it will just keep on taking trades, right? It will just keep on taking trades. So if you see that it's not gonna go drop to where I thought it was gonna drop to, then you just leave it. But if it drops to that, you also remove it once it is done dropping. You see that? So that is that, ladies and gentlemen. Moving on right along, I think we're just gonna attend to this one, and then we'll call it a day. Right, we'll call it a morning. Actually, a day, morning or day, Mr. T. What is it that we're gonna call it? That is to say, go live in the afternoon, yes or no?
If you are here, we can. But if not, I'm not going today.
Okay. So they say if I'm here, so it's really dependent on me, ladies and gentlemen. So if we don't go live, we just know that it's because I said I am not here, right? So, but if you go live, just know that I said I am here. So I'm busy trying to load something here, and it's taking forever. Something, forever. Right, we said what, Euro JPY. Do I even have enter for me on this? Hey, I don't even have enter for me here. Can I quickly get it? It left me. I am left behind. Next time. Whatever. Next time. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so I'm gonna wrap it up with this one. And Nasdaq, untested flip. Which one are you referring to? This one here by flip zone. Flip zone 17,750. 17,750 is above. Am I seeing things? You mean this here? You mean this SR flip? This is what you're referring to? Are you saying Nasdaq is gonna go up there and then drop? You're saying Nasdaq is gonna drop and then go up. Like I said, ladies and gentlemen, I am holding buys on Nasdaq currently from here. So I am holding buys from there, but I'm not saying it's gonna go up, right? So don't get it twisted. I'm not saying it's gonna go up, because how I see it, we are in the support and things can really go up. But on the other hand, price might decide it wants to come here before going up. So whichever one, currently I am in a buy. Right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna allow me to call it a day. We'll see each other maybe in the afternoon. There's a very high chance that we'll meet again in the afternoon. We just don't want to sit here and be talking non-stop all day long, right? Because now people start calling some of us like radio presenters and things like that, right? So we really don't want that, ladies and gentlemen. I love you guys so much, right? It was a nice driving this bus with you guys this morning. So be on the lookout for the link. The link will be up the next time we go live, which can be this afternoon or tomorrow, right? And just stealing for you, just stealing for you something I had been discussed in the headquarters. There's chances that this live streaming will be limited, and we're gonna have a situation where it's going to be Zoom meetings, and then once in a while live stream, but most of the activity will happen in Zoom meetings. It's just I'm just telling you what I had as birds were flying by. You know they say birds have a tendency of saying things. They talk too much, they go that side, they hear someone say something as they are flying past, they drop the news and then continue flying. So yeah, a bird just passed by and told me something along those lines. So I'm not sure, it's not confirmed. We'll hear what they've decided in the headquarters. Maybe a banyana on gold. Is it possible to end the day with a buy on gold, or the morning with a buy on gold? Unfortunately, no.
Nope.
Right.
Nope.
Unfortunately, no. So, all right, ladies and gentlemen, I love you guys. That's it from me. Mr. T, can you stop this live stream, please, before I just find myself talking non-stop?
No problem. Cheers, guys. We'll see you in the afternoon if Brother Bruce is here, but if not, like he said, see you guys tomorrow.
All right. Cheers, bye.
Yo, when I look at this song, I remember the song who does that for us all. Because of the love, man, it's lit. I can't even tell you without this grace and without this love, we're breathing. Upon all this sin we committing, upon all this fake contribution, upon all the hate in the brethren, man, upon all the lies that I'm telling. Yo, in trials and tribulation, hit the king. No matter the situation you were in, the awesome, amazing blessing, he ain't kidding. Show me the one you believe, and I will show you the truth, I'm a king. Psalm chapter 103, praise the Lord, my soul and within.
How dependable, our God is inflexible, immeasurable, he's credible, it is not just historical, symbolical, eccentric, daily, a mystical, interpretational, love, illogical, like who loves a guy who's meant to die in hell, but El Shaddai, he's El Elyon, the only one, I am that I am is the only one, don't be misinformed, but be reformed, rise what you feed, and you'll be stand up like a body, gunsing to clear up the mud duckings, we cease to fear us, we go back on our knees, he hears us, no more slugging, we have him to spare us.